Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely essential for anyone serious about investing. If you want to succeed in this day and age, you have to do your research. But with so many tools out there, finding quality, trusted sources can be tough. There are plenty of solid companies out there, but also some shady ones. So, I thought you might need some guidance in finding the right research platform for you. That's why, in today's video, I'm going to dive into the best stock research websites. I mean, the overwhelming amount of information out there can feel like drinking from a fire hose. That's why finding reliable, user-friendly platforms is a must-have. The best stock research websites don't just throw data at you. They organize it, analyze it, and help you make sense of it all. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 standout options that I think are truly worth your time. We'll cover what makes each one special and how they can fit different investment styles. Now, each of these platforms isn't for everyone. They have some negatives, which I will get into as well. And if you do decide one of these stock research platforms is right for you, I will provide some discount codes that can save you some coins. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go for the best stock research so you can sharpen your investing game and beat the market. Let's get started. The 3 platforms we will take a look at is TipRanks, Seeking Alpha, and Simply Wall Street. These are my 3 favorites, and I will break down why. I want to start by talking about stock analysis tools, because this is where I think all 3 platforms really bring their A game. TipRanks immediately stands out to me with its transparency. I love that you can track top-performing analysts, see their ratings, and even dive into their track records. This is awesome to me, because you hear a lot of things, but who should you really trust? This lets you know their success rate and helps you quickly know whose opinions to pay attention to. Seeking Alpha, on the other hand, has its quant ratings, which are a deep dive into everything from valuation and growth to profitability. If you love data and want a numbers-driven approach, it's super helpful. These ratings can save you countless hours of trying to piece together the bigger picture yourself. Simply Wall Street approaches this differently, using their snowflake analysis. Instead of numbers and reports, they simplify everything into easy-to-read visuals. It's incredibly user-friendly and perfect for anyone who wants quick insights without the deep dive. I think it's amazing for beginners, but if you're more experienced, you might find it a little too surface level. But when I think about which one really gives you the most clarity, I have to say TipRanks takes the crown here. There's just something so satisfying about seeing how each analyst stacks up, especially when their recommendations have a proven track record. Now, when it comes to portfolio management, each platform brings something unique to the table. TipRanks has its Smart Portfolio tool, which tracks your investments in real time and even compares your portfolio to others. I like sharing my wins with friends and seeing what they are doing. I'm competitive by nature, so others seeing my portfolio give me extra motivation. Seeking Alpha goes a bit further with their Portfolio Health Check. This tool doesn't just analyze your holdings, it helps you identify weak areas and tells you where to optimize for better results. For me, this is a must-have if you are actually serious about fine-tuning your strategy over time. If I had to pick a winner, I'd go with Seeking Alpha here. The Portfolio Health Check digs deeper into your holdings and provides actionable advice, which is invaluable if you're constantly looking to improve your performance. Simply Wall Street's Portfolio Tracker leans into visuals again. It's perfect for getting a quick, intuitive overview of your portfolio's sector breakdown, risks, and diversification. It's easy to use, which is a plus, but I wish it had more depth like Seeking Alpha's tool. Now I want to talk about one of my favorite ways to research stock screeners. Simply Wall Street really excels here with its highly customizable screener. Surprisingly, it's intuitive and at the same time visually appealing, letting you filter for everything from growth stocks to dividend payers with ease. I've personally found it great for narrowing down options quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Seeking Alpha's screener, on the other hand, ties heavily into its quant ratings. This is fantastic if you're a numbers-driven investor who likes to dig deep into the metrics. It's a powerful tool, but I'll admit, it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're not already familiar with these metrics. So maybe not the best for beginners. Now, TipRanks takes a slightly different approach. Their screener is straightforward and integrates seamlessly with the platform's Smart Score system, which ranks stocks based on factors like analyst ratings, insider activity, and hedge fund sentiment. What I like about TipRanks is how many factors you can look at and filter by, making it a time saver if you're looking for quick, actionable insights. But if I had to pick a winner, Simply Wall Street takes the edge for me personally. Its customization and user-friendly interface make it the easiest to use, especially if you're screening a large number of stocks. That said, I'd say TipRanks is perfect if you want your screener results tied closely to its Smart Score rankings, and Seeking Alpha is ideal for hardcore data enthusiasts who want deep, granular filters. Honestly, all three have great stock screeners. You can't go wrong with any of them. Now, let's highlight what makes each of these platforms unique. TipRanks has its news sentiment tool, which is brilliant. It analyzes headlines and gives you a clear sense of whether the market is bullish or bearish on specific stocks. To me, this tool is more important than ever, with the algorithms giving us skewed views based on previous clicks. Seeking Alpha's standout feature is its community. It's not just a research tool, it's a gathering place for millions of investors to share ideas and debate strategies. Honestly, some of my best investing insights have come from reading through comments and discussions on Seeking Alpha. It actually feels like you're part of a collective brain trust, and that's something you just don't get with other platforms. They also have investing groups that you can join for specific types of strategies and investors. This level of community building is truly unmatched, and if that is what you are after, Seeking Alpha is hard to beat. Simply Wall Street's unique touch is their investing ideas section. It's like a treasure map for finding opportunities in different market conditions. Whether it's high-growth stocks or companies insiders are buying into, this section gives you collections of stocks to explore and decide if they are right for you. All right, let's break down the costs, because I know we're all thinking about value for money. Simply Wall Street is the most budget-friendly option, with their premium plan at $10 a month and unlimited plan at $20 a month. It's a steal if you're just starting out or want to keep things affordable. Seeking Alpha Premium sits in the middle at $299 per year, which works out to about $25 per month. If you use my link in the description, you'll get 20% off, bringing it down to $20 a month. For the level of tools and insights you're getting, I think it's worth every penny. TipRanks is the priciest, with their premium plan at $30 a month and ultimate plan at $50 a month. But I have a huge 50% off discount in the description. With the 50% discount link in the description, it becomes much more competitive. That discount makes a big difference and makes TipRanks a great value. And there you have it. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on your goals. TipRanks is perfect if you want transparency and to follow top analysts. Seeking Alpha is unmatched for its community and deep portfolio insights. And Simply Wall Street is ideal if you love visuals and want a beginner-friendly approach. Check out the links in the description for exclusive discounts and find the platform that works best for you. And if this helped you at all, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another review. Happy investing!